An injury or illness that surfaces in the workplace can negatively impact productivity, costs, and employee well-being. Telemedicine is becoming an essential tool in the workplace. Introducing Cleveland Clinic Canada's Express Care Online with TytoClinic by TytoCare, an award-winning Health Canada-approved comprehensive remote exam solution. TytoClinic enables employees to have medical-grade remote exams of the heart, lungs, throat, ears, abdomen, skin, and temperature. It includes the Tyto device and attachments, a tablet with a dedicated Tyto app, headphones, and other diagnostic tools. Let's see how it works. Turn Tyto on and launch the Express Care Online app on the TytoClinic tablet to connect with a Cleveland Clinic Canada clinician. Once a visit is initiated, the clinician takes control of the Tyto device and guides users through the entire visit. For example, attaching the stethoscope attachment to remotely listen to their heart or lung sounds in high quality, or the tongue depressor to get high-quality digital images and video of the throat. After conducting the remote exams, employees get a diagnosis and prescription if needed, all within minutes and without leaving work. And employers see significantly higher telemedicine utilization rates using Tyto, saving time and improving the health of employees. Welcome to the future of healthcare.